Where's your face? Where's your lovely face? Yes, you lovely. Oh, you're very nice. Yes, you are. Here we are waiting for the furnace to, guys to come and give us a new furnace. Wearing our hats and our jammies. I won't show you what Mummy looks like. Working on our hands. Where'd you smile? I see you. There's a lovely smile. See, we're still cheerful, even though we have no heat. Should we see what temperature it is? Oh, you work on that hand. Good work. Good work. Yep. We're sitting up on the table here, working on our hand. Now, let's go look in here and see what the temperature's like. Looks like it's about, I'm going to say it's 14 degrees in here. That works out to 56 for you old schoolers. And here's a very brave baby wearing his hat. Hi. Working on his hand. Oh, are you slipping there, kiddo? Very brave. Anyway, next time we see you, hopefully there will be heat.